So I have this Toyota Tundra. It's a 2024. It's just about a year old right now. And just the other day I was getting out of my truck and I noticed something new that was a big surprise. And it's right here. Look at this thing. It cracked right here. And I was like, what the heck? I don't do anything to this seat. I just get in and out. And sometimes, yeah, I just kind of slide off. I skip the step. And a lot of times I go right to the ground with my foot. My butt kind of slides right across this. And I imagine that puts some pressure on this plastic. But other than that, there's been nothing that would account for this happening. And so I actually had a appointment for my 15,000 mile service the other day, and I brought it in and I asked him, like, what is going on with this thing? And, you know, is there something that I did wrong? Is there something that they can do to help me out here? And to their credit, I was amazed. They were right away forthcoming about it and said, yeah, we have had some problems with this. And they said, like, look, you're not that big of a guy. I know you didn't do this. This is something that we have seen in a few of these trucks, and we'll get it fixed for you. And so I just got to say, that's awesome when a company actually does what they should when they have a problem with a product that isn't quite right. They are going to fix this for us. They got to order the part, of course. And so I don't fault them for not having it in stock, but they're going to go ahead and fix this thing right away with no charge. They gave me a ride to my business while they were doing my service, and they're going to do the same thing with this seat trim. And so I just thought that was awesome, and they should get some credit for that. But I'm just curious, has anybody else had the same seat trim problem? Has it cracked on your driver's or on your passenger side? And what has been Toyota's response? Leave a comment below and let us know how it goes.